right now we do think that prices are down and they're relatively low, but they're going to come back. We think oil prices will eventually come back. We don't know exactly when, nobody can predict, but we do think that carbon-related energy is one of the best areas to invest in the world because the demand for it is so great and it's a global business, and we think that prices have been unduly depressed. So this has happened before over many, many years, and I think now when the cycle comes back, as I think it will in the next year or two, you're likely to see the appreciation in assets, and we hope to buy things at relatively lower prices.
Do you regret not having bought those things already? Because was it 45 and not 26 any longer?
Well, hindsight's always 20/20. I wish there were some assets we had bought at lower prices than they are today, but we've bought a fair number of things that we're pretty happy with.
You have $12 billion to spend. How soon will we see you spend it?
Well, it's to invest, not spend, but I would say, we will over the next couple of years get this money invested, and we have a number of years to invest it, and we are investing. We're doing deals now.
What do you like better? Do you like private equity in energy? Do you like distress for control? Do you like lending? Do you like E&P? Do you like downstream? Do you like services?
Well, it's like asking which of my children do I like the best. I like all of these businesses.
Which seems most attractive?
Right now, I think distressed energy is probably an attractive area because there are a lot of distressed energy credits. I do think that distressed debt generally is probably going to be a pretty attractive area as well. And I do think that E&P market will thrive at some point. So you can probably buy assets now that will probably be cheaper than they will be in a couple years.
Even with oil at 45?
And I think oil will go up. I do think oil will get somewhere in the $70 range at some point in the next year.
Really?
Some point at next year. I do think that finally the production is probably not going to increase and the demand is going to increase. And as a result of that, I do think that prices will go up.